Сейчас же я хочу увидеть, как вы влюбляетесь.
Welcome back to another episode, man. Look where I am. I've got this entire beach to myself. Guys, welcome back. We're busy camping just up off the shore in a little local campsite. I'm here for 17 days. I've got this incredible beach all to myself. We're going to be camping, we're going to be fishing, we're going to be outdoor cooking, we're going to be exploring this entire area. So the plan for today, we're going to be missioning up and down this coast, foraging, trying to get something to eat, fishing around the rocks, seeing if we can get something to cook up on the pan. Now I know there's a lot of mussels as well along all these rocks. I do have a license, so if we can't catch a fish, I'm going to just collect some of those mussels, and regardless, we're going to have a massive cook up right here on the beach in just a little bit. This is going to be sick. Stay with it. All right, let's take a look at the setup that I've got. First of all, I've got my ultralight rod. It's super tiny, and I've got a tiny little jig head on here as well. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just going to be putting on a little 2-inch camo worm. These things are deadly. I'll show you what they look like now. For around the rocks, they are incredible. These are them right here. I don't know if you can see those correctly, but these things are amazing for fishing around the rocks. So let's put one on there. We're going to cast it around, see if we can get something of a decent size that we can put in the pan and cook up in just a little bit. That thing is going to be deadly around the rocks. Alright, so I'm going to start off right around here. There's a little bit of a deep channel. Let's see, first cast. Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh, we got something, we got something. We got something. It's not big. But let's see. Come on up, buddy. Come on up, buddy. Come on up. Oh, man. That was like the... Oh! Come on. Come on, buddy, let's tighten them up. Look at this. Now this over here, oh, come on man, he's spiky. This over here is a beautiful little blacktail. All right, let's clean him off. This over here is a beautiful little blacktail. And he absolutely swallowed that camo worm. Take a look at that. All right, buddy, we're gonna get you off the hook. That was like third cast, man. He choked it. Take a look at that guy. Absolutely beautiful fish. Oh. Take a look at him. Absolutely beautiful fish. Just undersized. You can eat these guys, but he's a little bit small. So we're going to get him back in the water as soon as possible. Yes, first fish. That was sick, man. That was awesome. First fish of the day, nice little blacktail, and he swam off after a while there, but what a nice fish. Oh yes, oh no, he let go. Oh yes. Oh man, oh yes, there's a little one. Oh, come on buddy. All right, buddy, we're gonna let you go. It's just a tiny one. Look how they destroyed that camo worm. Oh man. Look at that, absolutely destroyed. Along this rock line. Oh yes. Oh yes, we got one, we got one. Oh, he let go, he let go. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh man, what is this? Look at this. What fish is this? Guys, take a look at this. Oh no, he's all in the sand. No. Let me get this camera worm out. Oh man, he ate it. He ate it deep. Let me go wash him off quickly. Guys, I went to go and wash him off to get the sand off to show you, and he swam away. That's my bad. Let's get another one. Oh, we're on. Took it right here in the shore. What is this? It's another one of those little fish. All right. Okay, buddy. All right. No, we're not going to keep you. Don't worry. Just don't spike me. I have no idea what fish this is. I think it's like a little queen fish or something like that. But he is beautiful, man. All right, buddy. Here we go. And I must say, it is getting pretty hot. And it's not even 8 o'clock in the morning yet. We still haven't got something to eat yet. We still have not got a fish big enough to eat. But I am looking around on the rocks. I'm seeing a lot of oysters. I'm seeing some mussels as well. So I think we're definitely still going to be fine to eat. But I want to cast around a little bit more and see if we can pick up something a little bit bigger. Let's get out there, man. These fish are going crazy for this 2-inch camo worm. Oh my goodness. This thing right over here, deadly. Take a look at all of these oysters. These are all good eating. I mean, you need a knife to get them off. See, that one's open over there. But this rock is full of oysters. Now, I haven't seen too many mussels, so I'm looking for mussels. There are quite a few on the other side. But so far this looks like it's lunch right over here, but I don't know, man. Let's keep walking, let's keep fishing. Let's see if we can get something else. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, we got him. Oh yes. Look at him, he is a nice size, he is a nice size. Next to this is another one of those blacktail. Now, they are quite spiky. And he choked this thing. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but they do have like little teeth. Little sheep's teeth. We call them blacktail, obviously, because they have this beautiful black spot on their tail. This guy's a nice size one. Now you can eat these fish, but they got to be quite a little bit bigger. So this guy's going back in the water. Good one, buddy. All right, be free. This is what I'm looking for lunch. Now I want to get just a couple of these. Oh man, look at this thing. All right, so here's a couple big ones. Just gotta keep a lookout on the swell. Ooh, almost lost the GoPro there. Okay, I got one. Another one. Keep a lookout for the waves. Now I don't need a lot. Probably about 5 or 6 should be good enough for me. That's what we're looking for. All right, so we might not have a fish to eat, but we got 6 mussels. You know, I could take more mussels, but I don't need it, you know. And you do need to have a license to take mussels, so remember that. And always just be careful where you're standing on the rocks, because there's a lot of living creatures, a lot of those little sea anemones, and you don't want to stand on them and destroy their little habitats. So always just be careful. I got enough mussels. I think we should head onto the beach and cook them up. I got my gas cooker here, and man, let's have a chow, let's have a feed, because I am getting, sun is slowly coming up. It's gonna get midday soon and I'm hungry, so let's get up onto the beach. Let's find a place to cook up these mussels and have a feed. Oh dude, this is sick. I think this looks like quite a decent spot to cook up. We've got a bit of a flat spot here on the rock. We've also got this ground over here. Nobody around as well, which is good. So let's get cooking. So let's put these over here. Like I said, I've only got 6 mussels. You don't want to take more than you need. I'm not going to eat that much, so it's all about sustainability. Just go get some water in this pot. Now we just want a little bit of salt water. Clean them off as much as possible. That seems about right. Not too much water, just a little bit so that they can steam open. Put those on there. Alright, so now those are just going to boil. Got a nice flame going. These are just going to steam. Now you'll know when they're ready. They'll open up slightly. If they don't open up, that's when you know it's not a good mussel, so don't eat it. But that over there is going to be a tasty little morsel. It is hot, man. I'm going to go for a little swim. This is not going to take very long, so a quick dip, and that's all I need. Amazing. What a swim. Take a look at that. Bubbling away. Some of them have opened up. I reckon in another 2 more minutes and these are going to be good. Now you don't want to overcook these things, otherwise they're going to get quite rubbery, so we've got to be quite careful. Alright, these are looking good. Alright, lunch is served. Alright, so let's take a look at these things. Oh man, look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Beautiful, tasty little mussel. Now there's a little bit of hair on these things. See that little bit of hair there? Now we want to get rid of that. So you just pull that out and chuck it away. The crabs will eat it. and you're left with this tasty, tasty, tasty little piece of meat. Look at that. All right, first piece of meat, delicious. Salty, salty, salty. That is good. Little bits of shell. Next one, take a look at that. I think what we got to do is we got to get some of these and we're going to cook them up on the fire with some garlic. Sometimes you get a little bit of sand, but that's not too bad. Look at the size of this mussel. Oh man, that thing is massive. Alright guys, what a day. This has been absolutely epic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up my last mussel, and then I think I might just go for another swim. All these little rock pools around over here, it's so nice to swim, snorkel. I don't have any snorkeling gear with me, but swimming is going to be just as good. Oh, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh man. This is a nice size. We don't want to lose this guy. Look at this guy. Oh man. Now he is a nice size. Woo. Take a look at this guy. Wow. He smashed it. He followed it up all the way, oh no, all the way to my feet and took it right there on that little drop, on that little sandbank drop. He pretty much inhaled that thing. Let's take it out. Come on buddy, don't worry, I want to get it out. Yeah, there we go. Take a look at him. He is incredible. A beautiful, beautiful fish. Beautiful looking fish that. Look at him, some beautiful colors.
Это ладно. Она внедряет веру в любовь. I was fishing right here and it kind of drops off, so I was pulling it up. As it got onto the bank there, boom, it just came and smashed it. And you know, with the ultralight rod, those little fish really give you quite a nice little fight. That was sick. Fish of the morning, man, that was awesome. Oh yes, oh yes. He's small, he's small, he's small. He popped off. Look at this, man, fishing in crystal clear water. This doesn't get, oh man, does not get better than this. Oh yes, oh no. I was just saying it does not get better than this. And some waves. Oh yes, oh got him, chaos, chaos, chaos.
Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a little blacktail. Another little blacktail. All right, buddy, you're going straight back. Don't you worry. See you later, buddy. Woo! Okay, how about there? Oh man, big hit, big hit. Come back, come back. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, they ate it off. Woo! Woo! Alright guys, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Ooh, just a little bit of extra fishing there after lunch. I couldn't resist. This water is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed, as I mentioned, hit that subscribe button. Oh goodness, I'm going to be doing a lot of this over the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on the next fishing mission. Whoa!